G'day folks, it's Craig Castree. I thought I'd pop in and do a bit of an instructional video on how to thin fruit trees. Now you can't leave all the fruit on much and all as everyone would like to, but the bunches of fruitlets won't all make it, and the tree will put a lot of resources into the fruit that will eventually be dropped by the tree anyway. So I think that you're better off to snip off those that are poorly placed or awkwardly placed, or are causing congestion, and snip those off and reduce them down to 2 or 1 per group, so that the tree can put all of its resources that it was expending into those other pieces of fruit into the 1 or 2 that you leave. Now this is a multi-grafted apple tree that I have in the front of my place, and it's got 18 varieties on it, and they're at varying stages of ripeness. Some are early, some are mid, and some are late. So as you can see here, we've got groups of fruitlets all over the place, and then we've got some of the varieties that are only just starting to form fruit, and as you can see, a big cluster of fruit here. So these are the sorts of bunches that I'm talking about. So we take off, and I suggest that you snip these fruit off. Don't pick them off with your hands, because if you weaken the crown of where this fruit is, you'll lose what you leave on anyway. So you're better off. Now what I'm looking to do is get 2 nicely placed, or the biggest and the best left on. So I'm just going to take that out. So I've got those 2. I'm nearly tempted to leave that one, but I'm not. I'm going to take that off. So as I say, this is a difficult thing to do for a lot of people, but it is absolutely worth doing. See, look, you can't leave all of this fruit on, so let's just sort of separate the bunches just to make sure that we're not confusing. Okay, so I think we'll leave that one and that one, even though these ones are a little bigger. So there you go. So this is the point. You want to go over the whole tree, particularly about this size. This is an ideal time to select, get rid of the ones that are congested. And leave those 2. So there you go. I hope that helps. These are way too small as yet, for obvious reasons. It's hard to see which one's going to actually turn into fruit or not. So most important, I would wait until these got bigger. So about, fruit that's about that size is ideal, really. Anyway, I hope that helps you. Bye for now.